In a quiet village surrounded by green fields, there lived a hard-working donkey named Bruno. He belonged to a poor farmer who treated him kindly. Every morning, Bruno carried sacks of grain, bundles of firewood, and baskets of vegetables to the market. Although the work was tiring, he was given enough food, clean water, and a safe place to rest. Bruno believed that an honest life was worth more than endless comfort. One summer afternoon, while returning from the market, Bruno noticed a group of wild horses running freely across the hills. They looked strong, proud, and joyful. Watching them filled Bruno's heart with envy. "I wish I could live without ropes, loads, or commands," he sighed. "Freedom must be the greatest gift in the world." A clever fox overheard his words. The fox was known throughout the forest for taking advantage of unhappy animals. "If freedom is what you desire," the fox whispered, "I know someone who can help you. There is a wealthy merchant looking for a strong animal. He promises light work and plenty of food." Bruno's eyes sparkled with hope. "Really? That sounds wonderful." The next morning, Bruno secretly followed the fox to the merchant's large estate. The merchant welcomed him warmly and praised his strength. "What a fine donkey!" he exclaimed. "You will never go hungry here." At first, everything seemed perfect. Bruno received delicious food and rested in a clean stable. He thought he had finally found the happy life he had dreamt about. However, the truth slowly appeared. After a few days, heavy chains replaced the soft ropes. Bruno was forced to carry enormous loads from sunrise until late at night. Whenever he became tired, the merchant shouted at him or struck him with a whip. He was never allowed to leave the yard. One evening, Bruno asked an old mule standing nearby, "Why are we chained like this?" The mule replied sadly, "We are not servants anymore. We are bonded animals. We belong to the merchant until we are too weak to work. There is no escape." Bruno's heart sank. He realized that he had exchanged a caring master for a cruel owner because he had been tempted by false promises. Weeks passed. Bruno became thinner and weaker. He missed the gentle farmer who had never beaten him and always cared for him. Every day he wished he could return home. One stormy night, lightning frightened the horses and they broke through the wooden gate. During the confusion, Bruno managed to snap his worn chain and ran as fast as he could through the rain. After hours of running, he finally reached his old village. The farmer was overjoyed to see him. "My dear Bruno," he cried, "I searched for you everywhere. I thought I had lost you forever." The farmer cleaned Bruno's wounds, fed him, and allowed him to rest for many days. Bruno never complained about carrying loads again. He understood that true kindness was far more valuable than empty promises of luxury. Whenever young animals dreamt of an easier life elsewhere, Bruno shared his story. "Do not judge a life by appearances," he would say. "Some offers look attractive, but they hide chains that cannot easily be seen. Appreciate those who treat you with fairness and respect." From that day forward, Bruno worked faithfully, grateful for the simple life he once failed to appreciate. The end of the story. Thanks for listening. For more simple and interesting story, like, share, subscribe to the channel.